Hey guys, this is Nasser. I wanted to do my today's trading recap. So essentially, Andrew had called my trades out. Thank you, Andrew. But here it is. This is actually on a live account. I have a CMEG, and as you guys would have known, or some of you know, that I was posting my journal for my simulator. I did that for over 2.5 months on the forums, and then I went live, and then I sort of disappeared. Quick history. So I went live like 3 weeks ago, and it was horrible. I lost quite a bit of money, but the good part was I know where I lost it. It was all psychological. So I got past that, and over the past week or so, I have been in the green, making small profits. Last week is what my goal was, and then today I had a really good day, and I wanted to share some of the trades I did. So the first trade I did, or I just did two tickers. I did AMD and AMRN. So on AMD, I actually went long. This was like a early opening range breakout. So rather than waiting on the 35, I went on the 34 because I saw the strength and I saw the asks coming in, and I saw the tape moving really fast. So it was more geared towards being a scalp. And I took 500 shares. I went in around 31.51, and I exited as soon as I saw the asks moving down to 31.64, and I made about $33 on it. That was just one single trade. You have to realize that my account is a very small account. I only started with like 47.90 today. $4,800 account. So having an $800 profit is quite a bit. So the next trade I did was on AMRN, and I think I did, was it four trades on that? So the first one, I did a long, on the 1 minute, and I covered. Sorry, it was a short. It was a short. It was a short when it went up, touched this moving average. I thought there was going to be weakness. And again, this was designed as a scalp. So 1070 short, got out at 1054, about 15 cents. Didn't go for much size. It was 500 shares. So I made something like $40, $50 on that. And if we actually move to my trade view, you can see that. So this was the first one. This was the trade that I did on Amarin. I made $55 on that short, as you can see here. And then this is the AMD one. I made $33 on that as a long. So on AMRN, I then took three more trades. Essentially, here I went long, and it was a mistake. It was a chase because, again, we're very close to VWAP, and it touched VWAP and it bounced back, and I realized that, and I was like, oh shit, oh God, what have I done? So I got out for a small loss, as you can see, a $46 loss. Now I went long again, and I added some because I thought it was going to break the VWAP, but it didn't. So I actually covered my position, and this was a sizable loss, but again, being a low float, and I'd taken 1,000 shares, 262. When I saw the weakness coming in, and I saw that it had rejected VWAP, it had broken this low, it was breaking below this moving average, I went short, and this time I went, with size for me, that is 2,500 shares, and I went and I caught bulk of the move down, and I exited around 10:05, and that gave me a nifty profit on 2,500 shares of about $1,027. So as you can see on the day here, I netted 806 on five trades. That's about 10,000 shares total. I mean, 5,000 buy, 5,000 sell. I figure I'm going to be paying around $30, $40 in commissions on this, maybe $50 based on the ECN fees and the commissions. So not bad. And what I'm happy about is on the trades, I was able to cut my losses short and let my winners ride. So on the low float, or sort of like a low float on the MRN, I'd follow a different strategy. I'm doing more of scalps on them. On the AMD, I should have stuck a little bit longer, but yeah, the reason I got out of AMD is because I saw other the MRN moving. I didn't get into that. So anyway, So on my reports, this is what I actually track myself as. So today I had a profit factor of 3.62. So I was able to profit money wise 3.6 times more than I lost. I had a 60% batting average. So I had 60% of my trades did win. And if we go into an overview, or rather, hang on, if I go into the instruments, you can see that both my trades were winners. MRN came for the bulk, and a good day. Good day, more or less, whatsoever that we had. So anyway, guys, please myself. It gives me. Now I'm a little anxious about tomorrow if I can continue this. I don't think so. This was a one-off, because I'm happy on a $5,000 account or $4,800, but today it'll be like 5,500 or so. If I can get a percent, I'm happy. That's like $55. So when I did my first two trades, I was up and I got a little greedy. I should have stopped there, but I didn't, and it worked out. But for the rest of the week, I am going to size down, take very comfortable, easy trades. I'm not going to go for low floats, and I'll hopefully post more updates. And those who have followed me on my the simulator things, I used to do a text recap. Now I'm going to be doing video recaps. But as you can see, $806.74 up for the day, starting at 47.90, realized 806.74, real live account, 6 times margin, paying full fees, ECN, etc. So pleased with myself. And as going to take Andrew's advice, I am going to stop trading. This is it. I am going to turn off. In fact, turning this on right now to do the recap, a little scary, so I'm going to turn this off because I don't want to be tempted. Because again, on the psychological front, I don't have the nerves or the discipline that Andrew and the others have. So the only way I can do is walk away. In fact, I'm going to go out have lunch with my wife and just not think about this. So enjoy your trading. Thank you. Bye bye.